This is Ryan. If you missed Monday, day 12, here is what you missed. We started with a quick warm-up, which is right here. You can pause the video or check out this slide deck on the About tab of Classroom. Then what we did is we did a quick pre-assessment. We do not have this digital, so you'll have to get this from the green crate. It's a real short persuasive essay that we read and answered some questions on. The purpose of this is Marguerite and I want to know what you already know about persuasive writing and your writing abilities. So make sure you get that done and get that to us. That's really helpful for us. So we know how to help you. Then what we did is we went back to our Venn diagram, the triple Venn diagram about kind of synthesizing the three different groups we've been studying. And we discussed and kind of completed each of our diagrams. Here is a picture I took of the whiteboard. Sorry, it's a little sloppy in my writing. But this is kind of what we shared out in class if you missed. Then what we did is we went over our assignment for this week, which is a persuasive essay, a short piece of writing convincing someone of your stance on one of these issues. So the packet is right here digitally. It's in Classroom. It's also in the green crate printed. And we really just went over the step one, what makes a good essay. We very, very briefly went over the rubric, really just how you're going to be graded. Margarita is going to get into this tomorrow, first thing. And then step two, we gave students a little time to do some research. So after you chose your topic, to brainstorm some questions you have about that specific topic. So, for example, your topic can be immigration, but that's way too big. It's too broad. We need to get more specific. So, for example, if I was writing this persuasive essay, I would write about DACA students or dreamers, students who were brought here as children and don't have documentation. I could even get more specific and talk about a specific part of DACA, but when you're writing, you want to get as specific as possible on your topic. A really broad topic like migrants is not going to be very interesting because it's just too huge. So you might start with migrants and say, okay, I'm really interested in these migrant farm workers in the United States. And then you might get even more specific and say, well, I'm really interested in the kids, or I'm interested in the working conditions, or I'm interested in like where people move. Like I want to track where people move with the seasons. So that's a few examples of trying to get as specific as possible. Then we gave you a little time to do a little investigation and to complete these two steps. First, settle on a topic, and then next, start to brainstorm some questions. And then we had a quick exit ticket, which was really simple. It was, here it is. Basically, what's your topic, and then what's one question you have on your topic. Most students in class had arrived on something they thought was interesting. So this is critical to move forward tomorrow on Tuesday, is to have your topic settled. So if you were not here today, it would be ideal if you could get this done by the start of class tomorrow, Tuesday. I hope this helps. Ask if you have questions. Thanks.